For many years I've been cooking my own food when I go walking. I used a British Army folding firebox. Only cost £2.50. Used it for about 4 years. Used it on the Pennine Way. Anyway, a couple of weeks ago, in a fit of madness, I decided to throw it away. And ever since I've been looking for something else to use. I did consider using a colander, stainless steel colander. I thought, well, if I try it and it's no good, wife will go bonkers. Plus, they're a bit big. So, just by chance, in the local hardware store, I came across one of these, which is a stainless steel cutlery drainer, apparently. Well, it was only £2.50. I thought, sod the expense, I'll have a go. So this is my first attempt. See what happens. One of the problems with the British Army folding stove, as soon as you put the pan on top, it started smoking. And it didn't really have enough, you couldn't really put enough wood on it to get a good bed of embers. So you used to end up covered in wood smoke. So hopefully this one, because it's got plenty of ventilation, it'll be a bit better. So here goes. I'm not going to light it using any fancy methods. I'm just going to use this. See how we get on. Bit of smoke, but this is my little pan. I got Maldi, complete cook set, £12. I'll make that. So I'm going to put the pan on top. Oh, smoke. Smoke straight away. Weight of it. I didn't think that would happen with having all them ventilation holes, but it has. Smoke always blows right in the bloody face. Could use a trivet on top, but again it's more stuff to carry. The trouble with cooking on the flame is you get covered in bloody soot, and it's the worst thing in the world to get off. It's all over the place, particularly on the sink. I like it. You can't say it doesn't burn properly. It's roaring away. Hey, gracious, I'm impressed with that. Everything. Get a couple of eggs on. See what happens. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Smoke. Smoke gets in the line. Needs to be about there. Smoke. Can't tell whether it's the fat that's smoking or the bloody wood. Oh. Get out of it. Oh dear, oh dear. Right. Sounds good. Got more to look. Oh, right. That's cooking nicely, that. Look at that. Get them two go. Quite impressed with it. Very impressive. That's £2.50 I spent for a long time. Yikes. Look at that. That's impressive. Pick that bad. Included in the Aldi cook set with this rather neat little kettle. Makes next to nothing. I've never used it, so just a little bit more wood on the fire, like that. Hopefully it won't fall. No, it doesn't fall through. Perfect. Covering the top completely and it's making a bit of smoke, but it's burning quite well. In fact, a little bit of wind probably helps. She's not doing alright, little fella. Bloody hell. Like smoking 20 fags a day having this bloody thing on. We have to put a bit more wood on to get that to boil. Difficult to tell. There we are, boiling. Probably took 6 minutes, maybe 7 minutes. Just about 12 little sticks of wood. But certainly can't argue with that. I think we're on to a bloody winner here. There we get on. Go on, Tim. Perfect. Not brought a spoon. The tea bag in nicely. Just going out. Just going out. Still quite a bit of heat there. Oh cheers. £2.50 well spent. Get down to B&M bargains and buy one. Right, and the time it's taken to drink a cup of tea. Fire's gone out. Not too hot to handle. There's a little bit of unburned wood. Not too sure how you'd get rid of that. It just seems to have gone out now. But it's probably good for the garden, so I'll tip it on here. Now, one of the problems you get with these burning wood, while it's cheap, cheerful, eco-friendly, carbon neutral, you do get soot. And soot is the worst bloody thing in the world to get rid of. It'll be all over the bottom of this bloody pan, I'm sure. Take that boiling water out. Yeah, covered in it. So that's one of the downsides, particularly if you've got a plastic washing up bulb, because as soon as you touch it you get soot on it, you can't get rid of it. So I'll probably just try and wipe it off with something, damp cloth or something like that. I suppose one way you could avoid that would be to use a solid fuel, something like sterno. You'd be able to get a little can of sterno in there. That may not produce as much soot. Anyway, partially successful, 80% success. Got to clean the mess up now. See you later.